craving an escape where turquoise waters whisper secrets to the shore, palm trees sway in a balmy breeze, and adventure explodes in every direction. Then pack your dancing shoes, your sunscreen, and your sense of wonder, because Patong Beach in Phuket, Thailand, promises an unforgettable adventure for every soul. Sink your toes into the soft golden sand and feel the warm waves lap against your skin. Patong Beach is your gateway to sun-kissed bliss, whether you're building sandcastles with your kids, catching the perfect tan under a swaying palm, or simply soaking in the vibrant energy of the beach scene. For the adventurous, the turquoise waters beckon with countless possibilities. Paddleboards slice through the shimmering surface, colorful kayaks weave around rocky outcrops teeming with life, and parasailers paint the sky with vibrant hues as they soar above the waves. Grab a surfboard and conquer the rolling swells, feeling the thrill of the ride etched in your memory. Venture beyond the beach and explore the bustling heart of Patong, a kaleidoscope of local life and hidden treasures. Shop for hand-woven souvenirs in Jungsilan Mall, a shopper's paradise, savor fresh seafood at beachfront restaurants, and lose yourself in the vibrant energy of Thai culture. Immerse yourself in a traditional Thai cooking class, learning the secrets of aromatic curries and spicy stir-fries, and bring a taste of Patong back home with you. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery hues, head to Kata Viewpoint, a dramatic promontory overlooking the sparkling Andaman Sea. Witness the breathtaking panorama unfold, the sun dipping below the horizon and casting a spellbinding glow on the water. Capture the moment in a photograph that will forever hold the magic of Patong. Indulge in a pampering Thai massage at one of the beachside spas, letting expert hands soothe your muscles and melt away your cares. Choose from herbal compresses, aromatherapy treatments, or traditional techniques, and emerge feeling rejuvenated and ready for another day of exploration and relaxation. For a taste of Thailand's legendary nightlife, Patong transforms into a kaleidoscope of neon lights and pulsing music. Bangla Road, the legendary walking street, buzzes with vibrant bars, live music venues, and pulsating nightclubs. Sip on tropical cocktails under the stars, dance to the rhythm of international DJs, and let loose under the moonlit sky. As twilight whispers its lullaby, find a cozy spot on the beach and gaze at the star-studded tapestry above. Let the twinkling constellations transport you to another world, a world where time melts away, and you're left with the gentle whisper of the waves and the sweet memory of Patong Beach. From sun-kissed serenity to adrenaline-pumping adventures, from cultural immersion to neon-lit escapades, Patong Beach offers an unforgettable experience for every soul. Whether you seek relaxation, cultural immersion, or thrilling escapades, this tropical paradise promises to weave its magic around you, leaving you with a heart full of memories and a yearning to return. So pack your wanderlust, your sense of adventure, and your love for sunshine. Patong Beach awaits, ready to whisper its secrets and paint your own Thai island adventure.